Hey guys, it's Labor Day weekend. Hope you guys are all doing well. I think it's been almost a year since I've uploaded a video, so I've been really busy, just working, and then with COVID, just trying to stay safe. I hope everyone's staying safe too during this pandemic. It is Labor Day weekend, so we do get an extra day off. We get Monday off, and because of that, and it's getting a lot cooler up here in Minnesota. My brother and I are going to start off our annual hiking trip up in Superior Hiking Trail. Alright guys, we're all packed up, we're ready to go. I'm going to go over and pick up my brother, pick up the rest of our stuff, and then we'll start heading up north. Let's go do this. Alright, hopefully we got everything in the bag already. Alright guys, we're all packed up. Everything's in here. 2 backpacks, water, pack of 24, got both our shoes. We're ready to go. Overslept today. We were supposed to leave at 2, but we're leaving at 6. Here we go. Okay guys, we're at the trailhead of Pincushion. Really packed today, Labor Day weekend. As you can see, the full parking lot is packed. Last time we were here, there were probably 4 or 5 cars, so we went last October. This time, packed. So we parked over there, hopefully. I parked on the side. We're gonna stay here for 2 nights. Hopefully we don't get towed. We're all packed, ready to go. Got both our backpacks. I think they're roughly 35 to 40 pounds each now after we loaded up with water. We took some layers off. Pretty warm right now, 65 degrees. Vâng. Alright, we're gonna go down to the river down here and get some water. It is quite a ways, so it's down there. It'll probably take us about a minute or two to get down there. I'm gonna put this on my cap. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. Yeah, not too bad. Pretty cool morning. About 50-55 degrees, perfect for hiking. Usually when my brother and I when we go up here, we go later for the leaf color after it changes. So we get up here when it's 30-40 degrees. For right now it looks pretty good. Here's the river. This is where we'll be getting water from. And usually it's not that we don't get running water that's nice. Sometimes we get lake water or just little pond water, really murky. So you gotta filter it, but here it's really clear, clean water. Yep, so we just go down here. I got a 1 gallon bag right here. So we'll try to find somewhere where, right here, where we can go down and scoop up some water. Maybe right here. Yeah, pretty cool water. Chưa Nhật này em chưa thấy. Hey guys, day 2. We just woke up. My brother is cooking over there. We're making breakfast with the, I'll show it later, biofuel, the BioLite fuel. We've taken out our sleeping pads and our sleeping bags all backed up right here. We're gonna put that away, take the tent down later. We got water, and I think we're all out. Our water filter's all out. So that runs through. Still dripping. We gotta go down to the river later to get more water, so you can hear. That's the river out there. Beautiful morning. Very warm too. Feels like about 55 degrees so far. So pretty warm. The leaves have not changed colors yet, but green's pretty. It's beautiful too. And we're cooking over here. We're making 2 freeze-dried pack biscuit and gravy. And over here, I think we got lasagna and meat sauce with meat sauce. Then we got the little BioLite right here. Just put little twigs in or little there we go, just little twigs, and then it fuels it, and then there's a little fan on the bottom that blows it, reoxygenate it, get the fire going, and then it also charges a battery over there that you can attach a LED light to it, but we didn't bring it. And then you just put the mini stove on top of it and cook. Just like that. Yeah. So you don't have to bring the little propane. We brought the propane too. It's more portable, it's easier, but this is a lot more fun once you find a site to settle down. Yeah. So we've had breakfast, now we're leaving the campsite. That's our campsite, campfire, camp gears, and now we're heading back. We're gonna go back up to the outlook, so we'll have to ascend Devil's Track again. Just like the one I did last year, that video I made with my cousin. But then we'll probably go up there, have a late lunch, early dinner, and then hike another 2-3 miles back to the parking lot. Then we'll head back, which is like a 5 hours drive. We'll probably get back to the cities later tonight, probably late into the night if we stay later up in the outlook. Okay, see you in a bit. All right, we're ascending Devil's Track. I can't remember how many steps, probably like roughly 100, but this isn't the actual steps yet. Here we go. Cây này mới ngả đêm hôm qua không hả nhỉ? Không biết là sao kỳ trước em với cậu Minh đi cái này, it looks really, đi đâu mệt đâu. I think no, hình như buổi sáng uống rượu cái xỉn á, đi ra đi
có mang rượu đi nữa hả?
Uống nhiều lắm. Xong rồi đi lên còn nói nữa, còn nói là cũng như tưởng nó cao lắm. Cause he was like, oh there's more, cái đi có mấy bậc ở đây nè. Yeah. Yeah. Ôm hen hai cái đùi của em, hai cái tay của em này nó mỏi thật. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, a lot more. Take a break. This might be it yet. Oh no. More. Mà sắp lên tới đây. Uh-oh, we got people. We'll break.
Thank you.
Yep. Hey guys.
Having a good time so far?
Yeah, you guys?
Pretty good.
Yeah. Take it easy.
You too.
Cái thằng sau nó đi bụi đời cái tụi này. Thằng sau nó đi bụi đời nhưng thấy tóc nó. Cái nó đang đi cái tụi này thấy nó cái pick up nó đâu có cầm gì theo đâu. Anh Nhật từ cái này Nhật có thấy ông Tây không? Mấy anh ông để tóc ông dài gần tới vai ông luôn á.
Anh
Yeah. Tao đâu cắt đâu. Oh. Yeah. That's it. I'm breaking a sweat. I'm gonna take my layer out.